Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about reactivating a temporarily deactivated Facebook account from your mobile device, so from your iOS or Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon on the top right. Then you want to go down and select the Settings and Privacy button to expand that section. And then select the Settings button. Go underneath Account Center and select See More in Account Center. Scroll down underneath Account Settings and select Personal Details. Select Account Ownership and Control. Select the Deactivation or Deletion button. At this point, you would be able to go ahead and select your account and reactivate your account. It is possible that once you sign back into your account, once you've deactivated it the first time, it may already prompt you with a pop-up that you can select when you are coming back into your account. You're more than welcome to follow along with that. However, as a good backup, you can easily come back into here to reactivate it as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.